Welcome back to the channel. It is the very first video of 2022. Well settled into the new house here, as you can see, and a lot of big projects going on this year. We're currently getting all the parts and getting everything for the drift car. So I think the first week of February we will be going to Dooley Fabrication, where we'll go over the car, fix everything that needs to be fixed after a solid year driving last year and an unbelievable year driving. So we're going to Dooley Fabrication the first week in February. We're going to do some work on the engine, do some fabrication on it, get everything right in the car, and also we're working very closely with Gary Short. We're developing some new E46 fiberglass kit, so looking forward to getting that in the car as well. I think we're going to keep the car the same colour. Do let me know in the comments, should we change the colour? Should we keep the colour? I've been talking to Simon Riley Crash Repairs. He's saying change the colour. Let us know in the comments, should we change the colour of the car or should we keep the yellow? Myself, I like the yellow. I think it's very cool, and to get a new graphics all on the car for next year with the yellow, that's what I'm thinking. But you're going to let me know in the comments, should we change the colour or not? Right, that's the drift car. That's start of the plan for 2022. But first things first, we need to work on the Niallgoesdrifting headquarters, which is behind me. Yeah, since I got the house, that thing has been annoying me because it's just terrible, and it's just hanging together. So within the next week or so, we are going to start working on this shed, and it's 45 foot long by 18 foot wide, and I'm going to transform this. It's going to be unbelievable. I really can't wait for this. So yeah, we're going full hog on it. All new floors, walls, new sheeting, lift, absolutely everything. Get this sorted so we can start working on more cars. Abby is probably, she's mad to get into it as well. So once we get this shed done, we can start working on Abby's car, start building Abby's car in that shed. So yeah, I'm definitely going to do a YouTube video on that, because I know, I'd say every lad in the country and everybody is watching. Some of you may have sheds and have done it, but some of you would really like a shed. So I'm really going to go in detail on what the costs are, you know, what's involved in doing a shed like this. So if any of you have garages that's watching, do comment below and let me know what you would put in a garage. So that's coming up in the next week or so. So yeah, that's the drift cars, that's the new shed. And another thing, I know a lot of you that are watching are following the drift cars and the Skoda build and stuff like that, but also in the background, some of you that are hardcore followers, we need to get back to Martin's camper. Martin's camper, you've seen a couple of months back, we sent it to Mossy Conlon, and Mossy Conlon is working very, very hard on that to save the van, because it's so sentimental to Martin. So he's working really, really hard to save the van. So me and Martin are going to go down today, check up on the van, check up at Mossy, and see the progress on the van. Fingers crossed, we are hoping to have that van at Old School New School this July. Working on confirming the date for Old School New School this year. So once I know that, I will let you know first on the channel. Old School New School, if you haven't followed it on Facebook or Instagram, go follow it out. Serious car show in Longford, and I've been building it the last 4 years, and I'm hoping to make it even bigger this year. So yeah, all them plans are going on in the background. Yeah, it's extremely busy. So enough of the talk, we're going to jump in the car, head down to Mossy Conlon and check up and see the progress on the VW camper. Hold for a second. Niallgoesdrifting is very, very close to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we worked really, really hard last year on the YouTube, and we're so close to 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell, and hopefully this year we can push over 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't done so, please subscribe, and I'll work on doing a little bit of a giveaway when we hit that 1,000 subscribers. So we've arrived here with Mossy Conlon. We're just going to go in and see the progress on the van since the last time we were here. Straight away we can see some cool stuff outside, so I'll show you a little montage of that. And yeah, let's go into Mossy, catch up Mossy and see what work has been done with the van, and hopefully we can get a timeline to getting the van done. Hello Rusty, you got big since I seen you last. Hello.
Then you have another, there's 3 here and 3 the far side. So there is. There's 3 sections on the sill and 3 sections on the other sill as well. So there is.
You were saying you'd use that section for somebody else?
Yeah.
So you're giving him one and giving me the other
that's
one?
all.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have 3 there and 3 there?
3 there. But that's still new.
That's
you
someone
can
else.
see, that's wrong
and
too.
you're giving me 3 the other side.
But the other man isn't using them right now with the president. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So all I'm doing is just borrowing that. Common. So when I get them, you seen the panels here, when he has them finished, he said he'll be able to get them for me. And he said, can I get any price on these?
So Mossy's just talking Martin through the whole build. As you can see, there has been a lot of progress made from the last video. If you want to look back on that video, it's further down on my YouTube channel from last year. But yeah, we're looking very, very close to completion of the fabrication, which was crazy as you've seen. So we're hoping within the next 2 months we should be finished with the fabrication, and we should start thinking then about running gear and start reassembling, getting ready for paint, stuff like that. So yeah, extremely cold night here in Sligo, but it's good to see the progress in the van, and hopefully light at the end of the tunnel. So we're looking forward to it. Hopefully 2022 will see this van completed. So we're going to keep the channel updated on this, because I know there is a lot of people following this van. And yeah, let's hope that we can get this van out rolling and ready to go in 2022. So that is one of our goals for 2022. So stay tuned to the channel. I'll keep you updated. We'll probably be coming down to Mossy a lot more now as we're coming near completion. But as you can see in the background, there's huge planning in this, and making sure we have parts, make sure everything's right, everything's lined up. So yeah, do you think we're crazy? Let us know in the comments. But we will keep you updated on the van. As it says, 2022, we hope to have this van rolling, back ready on the road. So stay tuned, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.